In today's video, I'll show you how to remove administrator account from Windows 11 laptop or PC. So let's say if you have two accounts in your system and both of them are administrator account, then you can remove one of them as your administrator account. So to do that, what you need to do is just go to search and search for user, and you'll get the best match option, add, edit, or remove other users. Now here you can see the other user, which is Techie Leopard. And to remove this account as administrator, what I can just do is click on change account type and change the account type from administrator to standard user and click on OK. And the account is no longer administrator. And to completely remove the account and data, I need to just click on account and data, just click on this remove button. And after I click on it, it's gonna give me a warning, delete account and data. Deleting this person's account will remove their data from this PC, including items on their desktop, downloads, documents, photos, music, and other files. If this data hasn't been backed up or saved to another location, such as another computer, it will be lost. If you're okay with this, just click on delete account and data. And then just give it some time, it will delete the administrator account for you. Then you can just close this out. And basically, that is how to remove administrator account on Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.